Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you how to crochet this cable headband. It's very simple and very warm. Um, it's worked sideways, back and forth, and then we'll join both ends together. For this headband I use a worsted weight yarn and crochet number 5mm hook. You can use any yarn you want. If you're ready, let's get started. For the beginning, I make a slip knot and then chain a multiple of 5, then plus 3 to adjust the width of the headband. I make 18 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay, now for row 1, I skip next 3 chains and make a double crochet into 4th chain from the hook. 1, 2, 3, and here, and make a double crochet, and then make a double crochet into each chain across. Okay, now I have 16 double crochets. For row 2, chain 3, and these chains count as first double crochet, and make a double crochet into next double crochet. Okay, then I skip next double crochet and make a front post treble crochet around next double crochet. Yarn over twice and insert the hook from front to back to front again around next double crochet, and make a front post double crochet, as you can see that. Working in front of the front post treble crochet just made, make a front post treble crochet around skip stitch. So yarn over twice and insert the hook around the skipped stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, and yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through remaining 2 loops, and this is the first cable. Then I make a double crochet into each of next 3 stitches. 1, 2, and 3. I want to make another cable, so yarn over twice and skip next stitch and make a front post treble crochet around the next. Then make a front post treble around skip stitch, working in front of the stitch just made. And then make double crochet into each of next 3 stitches. 1, 2, and 3. And then I'll make the 3rd cable. So skip next stitch and make a front post treble crochet around the next stitch, and front post treble crochet around skipped stitch. I have 2 double crochet remaining. I make 1 double crochet into next stitch and 1 double crochet into 3rd chain of turning chains here, and this is row 2. It has 3 cables. For row 3, chain 3 and turn the work, and I'll make a double crochet into next double crochet, and then I'll make a back post double crochet around each of next 2 front post treble crochets. So yarn over and insert the hook from back to front to back around the first front post treble crochet and make a back post double crochet, and again insert my hook around next front post treble crochet and make the second back post double crochet. And now for these 3 double crochets, skip the first and make 3 double crochets into the second double crochet. 1 and the second double crochet at the same stitch and the third double crochet, and then skip the third double crochet of these 3 double crochets and repeat these. Make a back post double crochet around next 2 front post treble crochets, skip the next double crochet and make 3 double crochets into the next double crochet, and again skip the next double crochet and repeat that. Make a back post double crochet around next 2 front post treble crochets, and then for the last 2 stitches make a double crochet into each of the last stitches. Okay, this is the wrong side of the headband. Chain 3 and turn the work for next row, for row 4. In this row I want to repeat row 2, so make a double crochet into next double crochet, then make a cable, yarn over twice, skip the next stitch and make a front post treble crochet around the next stitch, and make a front post treble crochet around skipped stitch, working in front of the front post treble crochet just made. Okay, this is the first cable, and then I make 3 double crochets into next 3 stitches, 1, 2 and 3, and repeat that. I make another cable and then 3 double crochets and the third cable, and at the end of the row I make 2 double crochets, and then I come back for the row 5. Chain 3. Okay, this is row 4 and this is the right side. You can see the cables, and turn the work, and I want to repeat row 3. After that I should repeat these rows, row 3 and row 4. I should repeat these rows several times until the length of the headband reaches the desired side. It should fit around of the head, and then I will join both edges of the headband together. Okay, I repeated row 3 and row 4, ending with row 4, and you can see the cables on the right side of the headband, and this is the wrong side. Okay, and now I want to join both edges of the headband together, so with facing right side to me, fold it into half and join both edges with slip stitches together. So insert my hook under both loops of the first stitch of last row and into the remaining loop of foundation chain, and yarn over, pull through both of them and make a slip stitch. Then insert my hook into next stitch through both loops and into next loop of row 1, yarn over, pull through both of them and make a slip stitch, and continue joining the stitches together in this way for the other stitches. I continue joining stitches and then I'll come back. Okay, I joined both edges together, and now at the end chain 1 and fasten off and turn the headband on the right side. Okay, now I take a long piece of the same yarn and weave it through the needle and turn the headband so that the seam placed on the back, and begin by inserting the yarn through the 3 cables here under both stitches of each cable. And over those cables and again under the cables. Okay, now pull both ends of the yarn tight and with the hook stick the 2 ends through the opposite side of the headband. And pull tight again and make a knot. Okay. And this is the front view of the headband. Cut the yarn and weave it through the stitches to hide that. Okay, and now our beautiful headband is ready. I hope you like this video. If you like that, please thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day.